am touring Park Square Homes model home in Asturia. This is their Margate II floor plan, which has 1966 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a study and a 2-car garage home, and the base price is currently $322,990. Let's go take a look. Coming in, the first thing I noticed is this beautiful wood look tile flooring. Over to the left, this is the spacious study area. This is a nice sized room. And then going back, this will be your laundry room. Check out the size of this. There is a ton of space in here. And then over to the right, this is the mudroom. You can see they put a little bench and hooks in this room. And this door over here leads to the garage. And then this is the beautiful kitchen and open living area. It has a nice size island. They did beautiful white cabinets and quartz countertops. It has a nice clean look to it. They have beautiful stainless steel appliances in this model. And I love this backsplash that they chose to do in this model home. Very elegant. You do have a gas range, natural gas range here. And then this leads into the dining area, which also opens up into the living area. So nice open space. There's a lot of natural light in here. Back over here to the right, this is going to be the master bedroom in the back of the home. Nice tray ceiling up top. Now my favorite thing about this room is that you have 2 walk-in closets. This is one of them right here. And I absolutely love how the walk-in closet, you access it from the bedroom. You don't have to go through the bathroom to get to it. Just makes it much more convenient. And then this is the second walk-in closet here. And then this leads into the master bath. They carried the same beautiful white cabinets and quartz countertops in the bathroom. And I love how they put this window up top to bring in lots of natural light. Always important to have in the bathroom. And they have a nice size walk-in shower. They put a pretty big bench in this walk-in shower as well. They carry that wood look tile through the master bedroom. I just love this open floor plan. Beautiful. And then back up off the kitchen, this is where your secondary bedrooms are. I love the accent wall in this bedroom. And I just love the decor in this bedroom. I think it's so cute with the flamingos. And here is the secondary bathroom. Nice shower tub combo. And again, they have the beautiful white cabinets and quartz countertops in here as well. This is the backyard area. As you can see, it's a nice size, and they have a covered patio area. Now this model home is on a corner lot, so you do have this whole side yard. They currently have 3 other current lots available, and I was told that they are very oversized lots for this area. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the beautiful model home that Park Square Homes has in Asturia. If I can answer any questions for you regarding this home or what else Park Square Homes has to offer, please don't hesitate to reach out. My name's Jillian Jamison, and I'm with the Jamison team at Lively Real Estate, and I'm opening the door to your next home. Have a great day.